Hi guys, so welcome back in the shopping skill series. So today we will see our third question. So it is add two numbers. So this question is a tutorial problem by CodeChef. It is for the beginners to learn about how the questions and all the stuff works. So here you will get italic text. It will explain you something about this section. So here problem statement. Every problem starts with an problem statement. It tells you in the detail about the task to be solved. Usually, although not necessary, it is accompanied with a story. As competitive programming, it's your job to break the problem statement and figure out exactly what it is asking. So you will get some story, and then so CodeChef is basically explaining you how this all section works. So input sections will give you input, output will give you output, and so there is a special note: take special care for the output format. Everything your program prints is considered output. So if you output some debugging statement like please enter tree and etc., then the answer will be not satisfied, then it will be not considered as a part of your answer, and because of it does not satisfy the output format, it will marked as wrong even if your answers are even if your answers is otherwise correct. So this is a special note. Then you are given a constraint section and you can read this out. The links will be provided in the description. So let us solve this question directly. So Shivam is the youngest programmer in the world. He is just 12 years old. Shivam is learning programming and today he is writing his first program. His task is very simple. Given any two integer a and b, write a program to add these two numbers and output it. So we will be given the first line of the integer. The first line contains an integer t, the total number of test cases. So you will get some n number of test cases. So in this case t number of test cases, and each line will contain a and b as the input. So in the output we have to add a and b and display the sum in new line. So basically t will be between 1 to 1000. So you can get 1000 test cases in a single attempt, and a and b also will be between 0 to 10,000. So here the example test case is, first the value t is given 3, so there will be 3 test cases. This is 1, 2 and 3. So first test case is 1 and 2. A is 1, b is 2. So 1 plus 2 3. 100 plus 200 300. 10 plus 40 50. So we have to create a program. So they have also given the steps what to do after reading this whole question. Write your program, test your program and submit your program. So let's direct go to submit. So here also code is pre-written. Test case equal to input integer input. So we are converting input into integer and then running a loop for the test cases and taking input and splitting it into a and b respectively and converting it into the integer using the map function and mapping the values to a and b. Then we are taking a variable answer equal to a plus b. We are taking a variable answer and storing the value of a plus b and printing the answer. So these are pre-written codes, and you can also submit and see whether it works or not. It will definitely work. Just for the testing purpose we can see. So here you can see status correct answer, time taken is the 0.02 second, and the solution code. So you can see your own solution. I can change this. I can directly use input this into instead of t, and then mapping and then answer. I can directly print a plus b and then run again. So you can see it also gets submitted and you will get another solution code. So you can prefer various solutions for a single question and it will all be separated by each other. So you can see number has changed, and if you click this you can see your own code, and here the green tick mark says that so your program has solved the question correctly. So green tick indicates that. So that's all for this video. We will see a next question in our next video.